Hey guys, Scott here with Everyday Home Repairs, and today we're focusing on a quick and easy repair for your dryer vents. It's super common for homeowners, or I see this in some of my rental units, where the flex pipe that comes out of your dryer vent, for that to become disconnected from, let's say if it goes through the wall or the ceiling, and that can lead to all sorts of problems. You don't really want that hot, moist air coming out of the dryer and just pumping into the room or into a drop ceiling or into your basement. Obviously that can cause mold issues, and then also you're going to get lint everywhere, and obviously lint could be a serious fire hazard. So what I'll do is show you an example of using a product that I put in my rental units now. I'm switching kind of all of them out, and that is the dryer dock. Pretty simple. So this takes the flex pipe from your dryer vent and gives you a little adapter or flange that will then connect to one that will go through your ceiling or through your wall. And I'll open it up here and kind of give you an idea how it works. And that is, there's these little tabs. So you will, and that's how it removes, right? So you go back into there, get your tab set up, click it over center, and then this will be your connection between your dryer flex pipe and then through your ceiling or through your wall. So let's get to it. For my project, we had just made a little closet for a stackable washer and dryer. So I'm installing for the first time the 4-inch hole through the ceiling. So I went up in the attic, drilled a drywall screw through where I wanted the center point for this flange, and then came back downstairs, and now I'm just stenciling in where I'll use the drywall knife to cut it out. Now this is plaster, it's a little tougher, but we'll go ahead and speed through the cutting of this hole. Remember, you're going to need to go a little bit larger than the 4-inch flan circle, because you're going to have the pipe coming through and also a 4-inch band clamp that's going to have the little worm gear portion of that band clamp. So you're going to have a little cutout where you'll be able to get the flange flush to the ceiling surface. There's a good chance with your project, if you've already had a pipe coming through the wall or ceiling, this is more your starting point. So you would want to take the pipe and get a little bit of slack through the wall or through the ceiling, so you can put the adapter inside the pipe, and don't forget to put your band clamp, 4-inch band clamp on first. And then make sure the band clamp has a good position all the way around, even on that backside where you can't see. Often it'll kind of fall a little bit lower, and then you won't get it against the pipe, so it won't give you a nice tight seal all the way around. So tighten that up. I prefer a nut driver. You can use a flathead. If you want to go all the way, you can get your compact nut driver set up and do it a little bit quicker. And then make sure you have a nice secure hold there before positioning the flange onto the plaster or to the drywall. And then I'm just going to use 3 normal drywall screws to secure this up. I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to try to over tighten them, or it'll just strip out the hole. And then in addition, if you wanted even a more secure hold, you could use toggle bolts or some type of drywall anchor to seat it against the drywall and make sure you got a nice secure fit. All right, now that the flange is installed to the ceiling, we'll just do the last step and confirm that our flex pipe here from the dryer with the adapter, the other adapter installed with a 4-inch band clamp. Just make sure everything fits up. And it does. Nice secure connection. All right. Well, doesn't get much easier than that. Really about 5 or 10 minutes you'll have this thing installed. And it's a nice secure connection, give you some peace of mind, considering these are usually not in the most apparent places. They're kind of hid away behind the dryer. Thanks for joining me. If you like these type of videos, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And also for this dryer dock, I'll have in the description, I'll have a link to Amazon, or you can get them at most of your major big box stores as well. Take care, and thanks for tuning in to Everyday Home Repairs. Bye-bye.